All right, some of you have rental car lots in your county and the vehicles are registered in your county, right? Well, you have to know what a rental vehicle is to know what the treatment is. First of all, a rental motor vehicle means a motor vehicle designed to carry 10 or fewer passengers and used primarily for the transportation of persons, and that vehicle is rented or leased without a driver. So what we're talking about here is you've had a little fender bender, your car is being repaired, and you have to rent something to drive around in for a few days. So in order for it to qualify for some sort of different treatment than normal TAVT, it also has to belong to a rental motor vehicle concern, which means a person or entity that owns and leases 5 or more vehicles and regularly rents these vehicles to the public for value. Okay? You're going to feel better about this one in a minute. I promise. Now, there's a special rate for these cars if the owner is certified by the Revenue Commissioner as a rental motor vehicle concern. So you do not have to try to figure out if they qualify for special treatment, because they're going to have a document that says, I am a rental motor vehicle concern, and because of that, I get to title and register this vehicle in my name for what equates to 1.5%. So I knew you'd feel better about that you weren't the ones trying to figure this out. So in this example, this rental car would pay $300 in title ad valorem tax and be registered and entitled to the owner of the vehicle. Now, why would they get a special deal? They don't keep them forever. First of all, when they buy them, they don't pay sales and use tax when they buy that vehicle, because they buy for resale. So they're exempt on that front transaction, and then because they don't keep them forever, when they sell it at the end of their life with it, it is then subject to sales and use tax. What else happens when you rent that car? I pay sales tax. That's right. I have to pay sales tax. They're charging me $39.95 a day. I'm going to pay 7% sales tax on that vehicle for every day that I drive that car. So they are collecting that monthly sales and use tax. So because of those reasons, legislature said, you know, we need to kind of level the playing field here. So, but the other thing is, they also have to be able to determine that for the vehicles in their fleet, they have paid at least $400 per vehicle, or collected and paid in at least $400 per vehicle on average for every vehicle they have. So if they have 400 cars times $400 is $16,000 that they would have collected that. So they're a rental car company, rental motor vehicle concern, and they're going to go out to our website and they're going to find the form they need to fill out. In this case, not an affidavit, but a certification form. And they're going to complete that form, and they're going to submit to us certain sales tax documents that we're going to require. This will be reviewed by our folks in the Office of Tax Policy, actually. It'll come to the Motor Vehicle Division, we'll forward it to Tax Policy, they'll send it back to us, and at a point we're going to put into gratis that this company, ABC Rental, is now a certified rental motor vehicle concern. And so vehicles titled to that company will be subject to this special rate. I hope that at some point you will have that list just like you do for self-insured, where you can go out there and look. They only have to do this once a year, but once a year they have to come through this certification process. The nice thing for you is they have the certificate, so all you have to do is, again, flag it in Gratis as a rental car, and Gratis will convert over and show you the amount due at this reduced rate. So from your side, it's going to be pretty simple. About time something was, right?